I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making black pepper Angus steak copycat recipe like Panda Express. For this easy recipe, we need a pound of black Angus sirloin steak and mushrooms, bell pepper, onion, green beans, or you can use baby broccoli too, soy sauce, mirin, garlic powder, ground ginger, black pepper, and oil for frying. Instead of garlic powder and ginger, you can also use fresh minced garlic and fresh minced ginger. I'm just making it as easy as possible here. So first thing you need to do is to slice the black Angus steak in very thin slices. So now I've sliced the beef, and I'm going to cook the beef first because it cooks quicker than vegetables. So I'm not going to cook them together. Do the beef first, then vegetables, and then mix it all together. So I'm going to heat a little bit of olive oil. Let's turn the heat on high, and I'm going to add the beef. And now, while the pan is heating up and the beef is cooking, I'm going to now slice the vegetables. So I already washed the veggies before making the video. And now the only ones I need to cut is the bell pepper and onion. The green beans are already prepared and the mushrooms are already sliced. That's how I bought them. There's 8 ounces of mushrooms and approximately 1 cup of green beans. So let me cut the pepper. And next I'm going to peel and cut the onion. Now meanwhile, I can already hear the beef is sizzling, so the pan is heated, so I'm just going to mix it. And I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-high and continue cooking the beef, stirring every minute until it's cooked through to your liking. And now I'm going to peel and cut the onion. So now our veggies are prepared, and we continue cooking the beef. So cook it until it's just done. You know, some people like it so it's still slightly pink. I'm going to cook this one until it's totally done. So once it's no longer pink, then I'm going to remove it from the frying pan and then start cooking the veggies. So now the beef is ready. It took about 5 minutes, so it's fully cooked. And I'm going to remove it from the frying pan. I'll just put it in a dish here. And I'm going to add the veggies. Like all these veggies, they can cook at the same time. You know, there might be some fat from beef. If you'd like, you know, that's probably enough. But if you'd like, you can use a little more oil just for flavor. And let me add all my veggies. It seems like there's a lot of them, but they really shrink as they cook. So now just continue cooking the veggies, stirring every minute until they're tender enough to your liking. So now those veggies have been cooking for about 10 minutes and they're ready. So you know when they're done, when you just try them and they're tender enough to your liking. So now I'm going to mix up the sauce. So I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And a 1/4 cup of mirin. So now there's 1/2 cup full of the sauce, and I'm going to add 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder. Oh, sorry, 1/2 teaspoon. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. And 2 teaspoons of black pepper. It's a black pepper beef, so we're using a lot of black pepper. So there's 1 teaspoon and 2 teaspoons. And now I'm going to mix this together. So I'm going to add the beef to the vegetables. So there's cooked beef. And I'm going to add the sauce. And mix everything together and cook for 1 minute. So I let it cook for a minute and then they'll be done. So now after 1 minute, this black pepper beef is ready. So let me turn off the heat. It looks amazing. So this is a Copycat black pepper Angus beef, just like on Panda Express, but you make it at home. It's so easy to make, healthy and delicious. Looks so good. I'm so excited to try it. So let me just put some on the plate here. Perfect. So this is great served over rice, or if you're doing low carb, you can just eat it as a main dish like that because it has plenty of veggies. So let me just take a piece of beef and pepper here. It's so delicious. The beef is so tender, and the sauce is so flavorful. It's spicy, it tastes like black pepper. If you like the Panda Express one, you will love it. So delicious. It's really hard to believe it's homemade. Tastes truly like the restaurant. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!